music player with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is the music player in which I can, if I play, see this thing will be shown, and it is nice revolving, and even we can change it. This nice revolving icon is there. Pause it, change it. I don't know whether you're able to hear this music or not, but it is a nice revolving thing and it is going up and down. So all these things are there in this very good music player which we are going to create next. And so let's get started with the development. So I'm also quite excited to make this. Okay, so let's get started. And I have just a folder created, just a folder here, and I will open it with VS Code. Let me take it full screen because I like it that way. And here index.html, style.css, and main.js file. I'll do, it is very small, I think. Yeah, very small. I was doing some blogging, so for the blogging I make it small, and for this I make it large. Okay, so this is done, and here create music player I'll do, and link style.css, script main.js will be there. Okay, so now inside our body we'll have a audio container class which is which will wrap around everything. So let us make that. Okay, so let us have a h1 first, and it will be music player, and after that dot audio container hash audio container. So these two things we are going to have, and after that div of audio dash info will be there, and here so I will have the, so all these things which you are getting this when it plays like this, all these things. So let us have that audio info is there, and then h4 dot title is melody, maybe first thing melody is there, and dot progress container hash progress container. Okay, have to do it in the next line. Hash progress container is there, and inside this we are going to make the progress container, which is generally coming dot progress hash progress is there. So this is what we are going to show. Okay, so audio info is there and all. After this, inside this audio container only, okay, we are going to have everything. So here we are going to have audio tag. So just like video tag, we have an audio tag inbuilt in HTML. So nowadays in HTML everything comes, so you don't have to go outside HTML, everything will come. So audio I will do, and src I have to take. Okay, we are going to have a folder which contains everything. So music and melody dot mp3 I'm going to do using melody mp3. Okay, and then I have to prepare that folder. Me save it first, and then new folder, music is there, and then reveal in file explorer. I will do music. Let me have this music. So nice, 3 small songs we are going to have. So these small songs we are going to have, and beside this, let's have some images also. So I'll have a images folder also here like this. So both of them are done. So music contains this music, and images contains the images. Same naming convention we are going to use. So mp3 we are done here, and then after that we are going to have the jpg file. So dot img container and img dot img hatch cover is there, src images slash melody.jpg, alt is music cover like this. And then after that, let us have those navigation things. Okay, so after this container we are going to have the navigation. So dot navigation I'm going to do, and button dot action button I have. Okay, and there will id also. See, id we are going to control it a lot from the javascript. Okay, so priv will be there, id will be there, and inside this we are going to have the font awesome. So for that, let me do the I dot fast dot far backward is like this. And similarly, let me copy this 2 times, and we have to import font awesome also, or else I will forget it. So we have to import font awesome also. So I am here, and font awesome is also imported. I have done this thing, and after this id it is play, and it is also action button, but action button big. So all of these are font awesome, only action button big it is. Okay, then it is fast far, not back, but it is far play. See, because our this is a bit bigger. Okay, so far fast play, and then after that this last one is action button, and it is play. This is next, and next, and fast far forward. Okay, fast forward, save it, and it is done. Okay, now let me start it with live server. Okay, open somewhere else, and we have now only this. So everything is quite big, but because we have not done the css yet, so we have to do the css now, and a lot of things will come from the css. Okay, so the first thing which we are going to do is import a Google font. So let me do that. Means we are going to use the Lato font, so I am going to do that. Okay, and then star box, sizing is border box, and body is, so let's have the body is okay, so height is 100 vertical height, margin is 0, and font family is, the main font family is Lato, and fallback is maybe sans serif. Fallback is sans serif, and let me have some gradient also. Okay, like this the gradient will be there, and then after this display is flex, and flex direction is column, and align items is center, and justify content is center. Save it, and everything is a bit in the center, but still everything is looking very ugly. Okay, now we'll target this audio container. So whenever we have classes and ID, it is because IDs are always generally used in JavaScript file, and classes are used in the CSS file. So that is generally what people do. So that's why we have something with the same name, audio container. Okay, so background color is hash 00, and okay, border radius is 15px, and box shadow will be there. Display is flex, and padding is 20px, 30px, and position is relative, and margin is 100px 0, and z index is 10. Save it. Like this image is way too big. Okay, not an issue. So after that, after audio container, we will come to the image container, this thing. Oh no. Okay, image container is position is relative, and width is 110x. Save it and see. Now it is, so it is adjusting the width now. Okay, and now also images and all those things are very big, so we have to fix the image. So image fixing will needed to be done. So dot image container img, we are targeting the image. So this will do a lot of things. Border radius is border radius is 50% and object fit is cover and height is 110 px and width is inherit and position is absolute and bottom is 0, left is 0 and let us give some animation also to it. So animation rotate 3-second linear infinite we are giving, and then this animation we are going to do it through the keyframe also. Okay, so let me do that also. So it is rotating, so this image is getting rotated by this only. Okay, so what I'm talking about, see this thing, the image is getting rotated, so the image is getting rotated by this only. Okay, so that is there. Then come back to this. Actually it is not do format for me. Okay, so audio container, I don't like this red things. Audio container is okay, audio container to play and image container image animation placed it is running, which is paused here, placed it is running, and from transition 0 to 3, this is how we move it. Okay, so let me save it and let us go here and see. A lot of things are been fixed with just giving the image thing. It is always fixed, and this all will not run. Anyways, they are going to be done from the JavaScript. Okay, so the next thing which we are going to do is the navigation. So this thing we are going to do. So I'll come here, dot navigation, and display is flex, and align items is center, and justify content is center, and z index is 1. Okay, okay, dot action button is background color is hash 000, and no border color it is background color it is not border color, it is background color. Okay, background color is black. Okay, then border is 0 and color is hash F7BE04. Okay, and font size is 20px and cursor is pointer and padding is 10px and margin is 0 and 20px. Save it, and now it is showing much better, and in comparison to this Sony, it is showing only now there is this big thing which we have to do it. Okay, so the big thing should also be done. So let me do that big thing now. Dot action button dot action button slash big I'll do, and color is has FCB51B, and font size is 30px. Save it, and dot action button focus is outline is 0. Save it. Now it is looking much better and much better, and comparison to this one, and this outline and all are also coming very good. Okay, so now this audio info, we have to do this audio info whatever is coming, so we have to do that. So we will do that audio info. So let me do that. Dot audio info, and background color is RGB 255,16,0. Okay, and border radius is 15px 0 0, and position is absolute, and top is 0, and left is 20px, width is cal 100% minus 40px is the width, and padding is 10px 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 150px, and opacity is 0. Translate y is 0%, and transition is this transition transform, and opacity also we are setting it. Okay, z index is 0. Okay, so now this audio container dot play, we have to give some more styling. Okay, so some of them will be used later on, so let us do that. Audio container dot play dot audio info. How much is this? Dot audio info, it is opacity is 1, and translate y is minus 100%. Okay, then audio info h4 margin is 0 and so after this audio info HTML we have done. So this progress container which we are going to create, so this progress container is also there. So when I do this progress container has been done. So this progress container we are going to do dot progress container, background is hash fff, border radius is 5px, cursor is pointer, margin is 10px 0 and height is 4px, width is 100%. Now similar to that we are going to make for this dot progress, background color is 000, border radius is 5px and height is 100%, width is 50% and transition is with 0.1 second linear. Okay, so now if I go, the styling is done, only the thing, all of these things are not working. Okay, so these are some of the things which we need to show in the progress bar, and all. Also we will show a lot of things will be done from the JavaScript part. Okay, so in main.js I will come, and here let us add a lot of things. Okay, so means select a lot of things, const music container equal to document dot get element by id. So we're taking everything as id, so that's one of the reason we have taken audio container. I'm going to do then const play button equal to document dot get element by id play, not play button, it is only play, and const ref button equal to document.get element id ref, it is right, const next button equal to next, also it is right. So this AI thing is giving something very good. So this thing is coming from this tab9, which is a plugin which I'm using. So it is got some AI stuff it is having. So it is on top of Emmet, which generally is there in VS Code. Const audio equal to document what dot get element id audio, const progress equal to progress only. Yeah, progress only. Const progress container equal to progress container. Yeah, this is also right. Const title equal to document dot get element by id. Title const cover equal to document dot get element by id cover. Yeah, it is also right. So now let's have a array for the songs title. Songs equal to dream comma melody comma peace let song index equal to 1. So this is to keep track of the song, and then initially we have to load the song detail in the DOM, which is load song. So this function we are going to create songs. We are going to pass the songs we are going to pass, and song index we are going to pass, which is 1 at this moment. Now we are going to make this function load song. A single song will come, and title dot inner text equal to whatever this comes, this will be the song, and audio dot src. So audio dot src, it will keep on changing with the song, as you have already seen, and it will be coming from the music folder, and this dollar song dot mp3 cover dot src equal to images dollar song dot jpg. So this are done. So load song. So we're taking it from the image, so it will keep on changing. So after that, we have to write a function to play the song. So let us do that. Okay, so let us do that. Let us create something to play the song. Function play song is music container, not dot inner text. So music container is the audio container, is this audio container which contains almost everything. So music container dot class list dot add play. So this dot play we are going to add, and see dot play, when the dot play is going to add, then the opacity changes and it transforms. Okay, so this is done, play is done, and then play button dot query selector I dot fast because this is the font awesome class dot class list dot removes not play remove far play. So what is this actually? See, when coming here the icon changes, so this is that. Okay, so play will be removed, and instead of that query flash list is fast class list dot add will be far pause. Okay, so this is play song. So similarly we will have a one for the pause song. So let me copy this because it is almost similar. Pause song class list dot remove play, so it will have remove play, and class list dot add play, and this is remove for pause is remove. Okay, and one more thing which the main thing is which we are forgetting is not this is just changes the thing, but the main thing which is it is audio dot play is the main thing. Similarly audio dot pause. Okay, now we have to create for the previous song and the next song also, which we have here, previous song and the next song. So those things we are going to create next. Okay, function play song, and it is song index minus minus if song index is less than 0, then song index equal to songs dot length minus 1. So we're just changing the song index, and after that load song we are calling, and it is songs, and we are passing the song index, and from here also we are going to call this play song. So whenever we go to previous, it will be done like this. Now similarly next song is song plus plus, song index is greater than songs dot length minus 1, and it is song index will be is equal to 0. So if it is the last one, it is like that. Okay, so lots of song index and play song is there. Okay, so this is there, and then we have to update the progress bar. When you play a song, then the progress bar will change as here. If I'm playing this, progress bar is starting changing. So we are going to do that. Function update progress is e, and const duration comma current time equal to e dot src element const progress percent so SRC element, this all we get from the browser. So current time minus current time divided by duration into 100 progress dot style dot width is equal to dollar progress percent is done and it will be percentage. Okay, now we will set the progress bar. So function set progress e const width equal to this dot client width const click x equal to e dot of set x const duration equal to audio dot duration audio dot current time equal to click x divided by width into duration. So this is what we are setting the progress. Okay, so now finally it is time to okay, so it is time for setting the event listener. So I could have done it earlier, but it's okay. So play button dot add event listener. It is click I'll do and like this const is playing equal to music container dot class list dot contains play if is playing and then pause song else is play song. Okay, so play button is been done, play button, which is the main play button. Okay, so play button is there. Now after this we will have the event listener for previous and the next thing. So pref button dot add event listener. On the click, what it will do, it will run the function pref song which we have created earlier. So pref song which we have created here, so this function it will run. Okay, so similarly add event listener, not pre button. Now it will be next button is click, and it will call the next song. So next song also we have created earlier. If I go here, so this is the next song, and next button. Okay, it is right. Just I was confirming whether it is right or not. Okay, now audio dot add event listener. So this will update the time, and a song update will be done. So if I play it here, okay, so this is the add event listener. It is time update is update progress. So it is a different type of thing. So a time update has been used when the time will get updated, and it will do this update progress. It will run this update progress. So see, I'm able to increase this also. Okay, so this is what is been done by the click on the progress bar. Okay, so let me not have any space here. Progress container dot add event list. Add event listener is click comma set progress. Set progress also we have created earlier. Set progress. Okay, so we can click directly there. Okay, so after that, audio dot add event listener, it is ended. So we have ended event listener also. A lot of event listener are there which we are doing here, and comma next song, save it. So it is like this, and it's not working, not working, not working. Now it is trying to debug actually. Yeah, it is not working, means okay, let me come back. The main.js script is okay, script tag is okay. So we'll start from the script tag. Script tag is main.js. Okay, I've done main.js. So okay, main.js is the script tag. So the play button is get element of id play. Id is play, fast play. Okay, what is happening here? But I'm even not able to click here. Audio container is okay. Audio info is okay. Audio is okay. Div of image container is okay. Anyway, it doesn't have any id. Navigation is not okay actually. Okay, so it is not working like this. I've been thinking something. No, it is not even working like this. So what can be the issue? Let me go through the code again. Means, is there some problem in the style.css at the end? Dot play button. Man. Main is here, and document.get element by id music container is okay, play button is okay, flip button is okay, next is okay, audio is okay, progress container, title cover is okay, and songs are okay, song index is okay, load songs, song index is okay, and all those things are okay. But even I am not able to select something. I don't know why I am not able to select something. Okay, and I am not finding anything here. Okay, see why it is not even working. Even let me do one thing, console.log of play button clicked. Let us debug from there. Okay. Some error is coming. That is good. Can't access property. Inner text title is null. 17 and 14. It is giving me error. So that is good. 17 and 14. It is giving me error. Title dot inner text equal to song dot title is wrong. It is only equal to song. I think it has come automatically like this thing. Okay, so song, and this was the mistake. I think it's solved now or what. I have here. Okay, and like this I will come, and why it is again giving me 17.5. 17.5. No, it's not there anymore. I'll go live again. Still not coming. Expect, I'll go. Console, I'll go. Can't access property inner text. Okay. Title is null. Title is null. Okay. Title is null. Title dot inner text. Title get element by id. Title get element by id. Title is there. Okay. Then here title is here. Title is here. But everything is okay. What? Title dot inner text equal to song. Load song. Brief song. Next song. Okay, not able to fix it. So I'll do one thing. Not a good thing to do, but let me do one thing. Let me compare it with my whatever is there. Git commit -m final. No, let me give it. I'm not going to put it in this. I used to do something like for a reason. Okay, so this is all done. So first thing is that I'm going to copy paste something. Wait, it is not script, it is main.js. Okay, so let me save it and let me see if there are some issues are there. Let me make it a bit small. So it is okay. This is okay. If you give it, you don't give it, it doesn't matter. Oh, got it. See, this was ID. This was not a class. If someone would have been here, they could have been told me. It is the ID. It is not a class. Just this issue was there. Okay, I'm not even seeing it. Okay, it was not a class. Okay, now if I will come here and I'm not getting any error and it is working fine. And it is also working fine. It is also working fine. Even if I click it, and the next song is playing. And everything is working fine. So we did a small mistakes and we fixed it, and because ID classes that issue was there, but everything is working fine. And this is a very cool looking music player. Even I am thinking that I will use it on my personal thing. Means it is really cool. And this was actually created by my intern. This means as you might know, all the projects I generally have a blog first and then I create a YouTube video out of it. My site is there for it, and if you can see, let me also tell a bit about my site. It is not so most of the all the most not all the YouTube videos, because I was a blogger first, then I started with YouTubing, so are from here only. Everything is from here, and this is see this some of them, most of them I have done, means these blogs, and 548 is the total count right now. Okay, so this one was done by her. Her name is Divya. So this was done by her. She's a very good intern, and so this is what is it is all about. Do check her, and she's doing some good, amazing work for us. So that's all about now. And with this, I'll end today's stream here. And as you know, I'm a full-time JavaScript freelance developer and a trainer and a blogger also. So if you want to learn JavaScript, React from me, I have many courses running. In fact, this weekend I'm going to have a very big 5-week intensive ReactJS weekend boot camp, which is going to be 2 hours on every Saturdays and Sunday, and it is mainly meant for working professional, but anyone can join, because I've a lot of working professionals are coming to that boot camp who want to learn React, who are not from web development background. So if you want, you can also commit it. So do check the link. I am giving a special Diwali discount on that, so it is less than it generally cost 20,000, but it is right now it is only for 5,000. A special Diwali discount is going on. So if you want, please do check it, and please do subscribe to my channel so that I can produce more videos like it. and thank you.